Kim Bryant. I'm a CPA with Bryant & Associates. I'm going to talk to you today about tax deductions for your small business. There's a lot of deductions that sometimes business owners forget. One of those is auto expenses. There's a couple ways to deduct auto expenses. One is taking your actual expenses, and you track your fuel, your repairs and maintenance, insurance and taxes. The second option is the mileage rate. You track your miles during the year, and then you take that times the standard mileage rate. No matter which option you use, you need to track your miles during the year and keep track of the purpose of that trip. You also don't want to forget about parking fees, because that's something that's easily missed. Another expense that sometimes people forget about is a home office. There's two options now for taking a deduction for the home office. One is the regular method, which is where you track your actual expenses. That might be rent, mortgage interest, insurance, taxes, utilities, repairs and maintenance. The second option is the simplified method. You take your square footage times a prescribed rate. With both of these methods, your home office needs to be used regularly and exclusively for your business. Another expense that business owners need to consider is depreciation expense. When you buy furniture, equipment, or vehicles for your business, you can deduct those over the life of the asset, or you can take the entire cost in the year of purchase. That's known as Section 179 deduction. The key is to know what is best for your business. Another expense that business owners want to make sure that they get is their business travel. The cost of travel is 100% deductible. That can include airfare, hotels, rental cars, taxis, tips. You just want to make sure that you keep your receipts for your business travel. Another expense that's kind of confusing for business owners is meals. Unlike travel, meals are only 50% deductible. These can be meals that are eaten while traveling overnight, or meals that are eaten with the client while talking about business. If you have meals for the benefit of your staff, such as a holiday party or a staff meeting, those are 100% deductible. However, if you are eating meals on your job, like you're out working and you swing through a drive-through, those meals are not deductible. Another expense that also can be kind of tricky is entertainment. Like meals, entertainment is only 50% deductible. Any activity that provides entertainment or amusement is considered entertainment. Some entertainment is not deductible, like your country club dues. You can take somebody golfing, but the dues that you pay at the country club are not deductible. Another business expense that business owners sometimes forget about is gifts. Gifts are 100% deductible. However, they're limited to $25 per person per year. The best tip that I can give you is don't mess with the IRS. But that doesn't mean that you need to cheat yourself out of expenses either. You need to take every legal deduction that you can. If in doubt about the expenses that you can deduct for your small business, give one of the professionals at Bryant & Associates a call.